Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Peace be unto you, my respected brothers, friends, colleagues, and loved ones, wherever you are. It's me, your brother, your colleague, your friend, Masud Mustapha. I'm here once again, as you know, to take you through simple life lessons. And today we are going to talk about one of the very important aspects of our life, and that is our emotions. And what is emotions? When we talk of emotions, it is something that is within the self, which has a very huge role that it plays. Emotions such as being happy or being sad, okay, or being passionate about something, and so on and so forth, has a very critical role that it plays in each and every individual. Emotions, as we know, is a psychological, which start within ourselves. And it will grow up until it will start manifesting into our faces, our hands, and the way we react towards brothers and sisters or our environment. Emotion is so significant in such a way that sometimes we are so affected by certain things that doesn't have a direct connection to us. Like, for instance, it happens sometimes that a friend of yours, or maybe your loved one, your son or something like that, maybe involves in a certain situations, that makes the person to be so sad. Because the way you are connected to that person, you end up seeing yourself being affected by the sorrow that the friend or the colleague is faced with. You see so many times that people, for instance, involved in an accident, and it happens that the brother or the sister is so close to you and so dear to you. Hence, you start feeling the pain yourself, as if you are the exact person who involved in that accident. Emotion plays a major role in human beings. That is why you see yourself sometimes there is something that is so dear to you, you love it so much, and you are so affected by it. Like as we mentioned when we were talking about awareness in our second video. Sometimes look at the way you love that particular thing. You are so connected in such a way that when you lose it, you are affected emotionally, and even sometimes it leads you not to be able to live life to the fullest. So emotion plays a major role in you, my brother and my sister. And remember, you have emotions as well as myself and everyone there. And we all are affected by that emotions. We start psychologically within up until it will start manifesting in our actions. Let me give you this typical example. Sometimes we get angry, and sometimes you wonder what makes us to get angry. You realize that there are certain things that make certain individuals angry, and the same things, make other people laugh and relieve them from their comic relief. Let me give you this example. Sometimes someone says a word to a colleague, and that word will start affecting the colleague, within himself up until it will manifest. And you will start feeling it from the way the person talks, or maybe the way the person reacts. Angrily and probably wanting to be able to, maybe to engage in fight or whatever. And sometimes the same word will be said to someone else, and the person will smile and then move on. So emotion is very crucial to each and every individual, that if we are not careful about our emotions, it will lead to so many problems in our lives. And when we are careful about those emotions and put them under control, it makes us to be able to understand our potentials, hence to live as human beings. It is said, and I quote, a gentleman is the one who is able to keep up his head while all others have lost their heads. So I leave you with this simple life lessons. You are welcome to share, to comment, and even ask questions. It's me, your brother, your colleague, your friend, Masud Mustapha. Peace be unto you.